Okay, so here is just a little bit more practice with comparing fractions by drawing a model. So let's say we are comparing the fractions 3/6 and 3/8. Now, I know they have the same numerator, but they do not have the same denominator, which means they are not equal fractions. So I'm going to draw a model to represent this. I personally love drawing rectangle models. They are easier for me to draw, I think, but it works with both rectangles and circles. So I'm going to start with my 3/6, and I'm going to start by drawing halves, and now I'm breaking my halves up, making sure that my fraction bars are as equal as possible, and of course I'm going to shade in 3 of those because 3/6. I also noticed right now that that's equivalent to 1/2. Next I'm going to represent 3/8. So again I'm going to start with my half and make my eighths out of my rectangle. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I always have to go back and count just to make sure those didn't end up as equal. But I'm going to shade in my 3/8. And now when I am comparing these two fractions, I see that 3/6 is greater than my 3/8. So my fraction would read 3/6 is greater than 3/8. Let's do one more just for practice. We'll do fraction circles this time. And we will do, we'll do 2/4 and 4/8. So this time I'm going to have a circle to represent 2/4 and a circle to represent 4/8. So first with my fourths, I'm going to try and make that a little more even. There's my fourths, I'm going to shade in 2 of them. So I'm noticing that half of my circle is shaded in right now. And now with my eighths, I like drawing eighths in a circle because they remind me of a pizza. I'm going to shade in 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you notice that's also half of the circle. So when I'm comparing these fractions, I see that this 2/4 and 4/8 both take up the same amount of space inside my circle, which means 2/4 and 4/8 are equal fractions or equivalent fractions. So that would just read 2/4 is equal to 4/8. And they are also both equal to 1/2. Okay, I hope that explains drawing a model to compare fractions just a little bit better.